Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on how to assign oxidation number. Calculate the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate. In order for you to answer this question, there are some rules that you need to follow. For example, potassium, the oxidation number is always positive 1. And oxygen is usually negative 2 unless it is peroxide, right? So we are going to use this rule to calculate the oxidation number of chromium. So we have K2Cr2O7. So the potassium is positive 1 times 2 plus chromium plus negative 2 times 7. Because this potassium dichromate have no charge, so the summation of this should be equivalent to 0. So what we need to do is we need to calculate this one. So positive 1 times 2 is equivalent to 2 plus chromium plus negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. So you will get 2 minus 14 plus Cr2 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, we can say that negative 12 plus chromium is equivalent to 0. So we can say that chromium is equivalent to 12. So chromium itself, because 12 is actually equivalent to 2 times X is 12. So chromium itself is going to be 12 divided by 2, so it's equivalent to 6. So the oxidation number for chromium is 6. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.